Has anyone ever told you that you'd make a great coach? I mean, you're a natural at helping people. They've called you coach before, maybe messing with you a little bit or joking around, but they're seriously, you would make a great coach. You're a natural at encouraging people to believe in what's possible. You easily develop plans to help others reach their goals. I mean, for some people, this is very, very difficult, but not for you. It comes easy. You can see the road ahead. You can work with people. You can encourage them. You can identify some of the skills that they have, and you love empowering people. You love challenging them to do more. You love challenging them to see what's possible now. Maybe you've been thinking about getting certified as a professional coach to move you to the next level. Maybe you've asked the question, what do I need to do to continue to grow my skills, to develop, to empower more people? You want to have a bigger impact. You want to change more lives. And you know that continuous learning, especially as it relates to your leadership development, is the key to help you live and thrive even more. If you answered yes to any of these questions, any of these thoughts, well, just maybe becoming a certified executive coach is your next step to help you learn new leadership skills and thrive as a leader. Maybe it's time for you to get some mentor coaching and grow as a leader and become a certified executive coach, all without leaving the office. That's right. You don't have to leave the office. Once you finish this video, at the end, I'll provide you with a link for you to click and register and really take part in the Masterclass, the Certified Executive Coach Masterclass. Let's see if this is a good fit for you. If it is, that's great. If it's not, that's okay. I'll also give you my number at the end, and if you have any questions, you can send me a message directly. My name is Marcel Sanchez. I've published over 29 books. I've trained over 11,800 people, and I founded a company called Imagine Coaching Academy. And in this company, I've helped many leaders and their teams do a couple of things. Here they are: increase performance, improve communication, reach their goals, and empower more leaders. I've done this for many companies, many organizations, and I believe I can do the same for you. You need to believe that you already have the capacity and the character required to become a great coach. I believe that you can become an excellent coach. If you're still watching this video, then there's something about coaching that draws you, just like it drew me. It drew me in. It captured me. Why? Because you want to help people grow. I want to help people grow. And coaching is one of the most effective ways to develop others, develop more leaders, empower people to do more. Notice what it says. You only lack learning and practicing ICF coaching competencies. ICF stands for the International Coaching Federation. It's the standard for coaching, and that's what I teach. In this training, we'll take care of teaching you the best principles found within the ICF framework to help you become an excellent coach. You might believe that a certified coaching program is too expensive, or it takes too long to complete, or it is simply not flexible enough to work with your busy schedule. Not so. Nothing could be further from the truth. Maybe you've read about other programs that take 2 years to complete, have a rigid schedule, or almost require a second loan to get started. Our coaching program is very, very different. You might have said, well, I don't have 2 years to complete a coaching program, or I need a training program to work with my schedule. It's very unique. Or I don't want to take out another loan to become a certified coach. I agree. You shouldn't have to do those things. Becoming a certified executive coach allows you to complete your coach training in about 4 to 6 months. That's right, 4 to 6 months in 3 simple phases. Here they are. Number 1, a 2-day coach specialization intensive. We immerse ourselves in what it means to become a certified executive coach. You'll learn some of these things in our masterclass. But in this 2-day intensive, we go deeper. We give you the tools, we teach you the skills, and we have a lot of fun together. Number two, you walk through a series of self-directed video training. And this gives you the empowering framework, if you will, to become a certified executive coach. You learn more about coach theory and principles, and this helps you to connect the dots. Number three is coach skills training and mentor coaching. We put you in a live coaching environment. Remember, it's an experiential leadership training environment. We walk you through the process of coaching. We give you feedback on your coaching. We put you in coaching scenarios. And this is how you grow. And this is how you learn. And this is how you develop into an excellent coach. You will learn new leadership skills during each phase of our program. Once you complete the training, you'll be ready to coach others and serve your clients better. I think you're going to do a better job at serving your family and serving your friends and your neighbors and your community. One of the things I often tell leaders is to grow leadership skills, new leadership skills. You need to apply the 3 C's of transformation. You need a commitment, you need a coach, and you need a course of action. A commitment to grow your leadership skills, a commitment to be ready for that next opportunity, a commitment to empower people more by first empowering yourself. And then you need a coach. That's me. I'll be your guide. I'm not the expert in every single industry, and I don't have to be. I simply have to be your coach and walk you through the process of coaching. And one of the things that you'll find is that a coach is a partner. A coach is a guide. The coach walks with you to get you to where you need to be. And how do they do that? Well, that's when we get to number 3, a course of action. A course of action is a proven way to move you forward, to get you from where you are to where you need to be. So you need a commitment, you need a coach, and you need a course of action. Watch the Masterclass to see if becoming a certified executive coach is the next move. To do what? To prepare you for your next opportunity. Now, I really believe is the best time to invest in yourself. I really believe now is the best time to grow yourself. You don't know what's in the future, and nor do I. But if you're prepared for the future, you'll be better equipped to tackle whatever is before you. Click on the link within the description. As I said before, watch the masterclass. I think you'll enjoy it. You can watch it at your pace. And if you have any questions along the way, send me a text. This is my direct number. Send me a text. We can jump on a call or we can exchange questions and responses. But I want you to know I'm here to serve you in your leadership development journey.